Hi, welcome to the first tutorial on the Coreflux Hub. This is the easy way to manage your broker. When you start the Coreflux Hub, you have two main options. The first is to install a new Coreflux Central in your system. Click Install, name it, and click Continue Installation. It will download Coreflux and install it locally. Just like that, you have an mqtt broker in your computer. Let's check it. Open mqtt Explorer, use the default username and password, and click Connect. You can see the broker is set up. Now let's look at the broker configurations in the hub. Inside Hub Access, find this button and click on Hub Config. Here you can change the name, the ports with and without TLS, as well as WebSocket ports, for which you'll need the respective power-up. We'll leave that for another tutorial. If you want a full debug log of all the payloads received in your broker, check this box. Be advised that this will decrease the efficiency of your broker quite a bit, so only use it if necessary. Anonymous login enables using the broker without passwords. Be mindful of the security implications of this feature. The binds are useful to define which Ethernet port you use for each mqtt protocol. You can bind an IP for only mqtt without TLS to 0000, but you can also choose a local host. So your machine is able to be configured in an unencrypted way and not use this protocol at all outside your machine. This is a safety recommendation because using 0000 on non-TLS protocols means any Ethernet port could be used to access this broker. You can also check these configurations inside the topic structure with the root credentials. That's it for now. See you on the next tutorial.